I received a telephone call from Charlene Versmerten from Microsoft, and I had a subsequent discussion with Mthatha, the MD of Microsoft, we jumped at the opportunity to get involved in the empowerment of a FET college in a rural area in Mthatha.
Our biggest challenge in this country are sitting in rural areas. Through this particular FET college, we will be able to address the rural community that desperately need interventions like this one.
With the introduction of CTU on us, last year we successfully registered with CTU, and on my side and on the side of the college has benefited a lot, because now we're proudly running Microsoft program, not only for the learnership, even for the private candidates who come to register for the programs. So it has helped us a lot, because in the whole region in the Eastern Cape, we are the only center that is registered for Microsoft programs.
The content of the program was two different programs. One was end user computing and the other one was IT tech support. We had the opportunity to empower their lecturing staff, and as a consequence we've been able to develop 100 individuals in ICT skills rather than just academic. In order to make this happen, we had to donate a computer lab to make sure enough skills are acquired, enough practical time is spent on the PCs.
When we were planning the learnership initially, we never knew that we would need much more space, because we don't have enough labs for the students who were doing the learnership in the past year. So we found that they didn't have a lab to practice, but CTU came to our help by offering us a mobile lab. That lab has been helping us because it was used by the learnership student from the morning up until evening.
Of course, the mobile lab the CTU has brought, it is really helping the college and also the program.
CTU, they help me a lot, so that we are able to work well with the students and also the portfolios, having that knowledge from CTU.
I think it's the better idea to take these students to the higher level, because they want to learn more. A lot of jobs require technology. Every job needs a computer skill. Each and every department needs a qualified candidate for computer literacy.
Well, firstly, I've never been through in the computer, so I've learned a lot on computer, doing Microsoft and user database, all those kind of things. I learned a lot from it.
I know how to apply my skill on the computer just because I know a computer now better.
I've gained a lot of knowledge and skills in this program.
I know now how to create slides. I never do that before, but now I've got that knowledge.
I've gotten opportunities from this learnership.
Word, Excel and PowerPoint, it gives me a lot of information.
Thanks on certification, I think I'm going to get a good job.
I have something in my hands.
I want to be IT manager one day, and I'm so keen about that thing.
This learnership, it is highly recommended, and it is a need, because it is not only helping us as the college in upping our knowledge in technology, it is also helping the communities, because in this day and age, technology is the word, is the buzzword, and being in a rural area, we are not supposed to be left behind.
If you look in our region or the whole area around, The value of certificate, whether it's a national or international one, more especially on the IT sector, is very important in this region. We are in the region where we lack a lot of skills on the IT side. Here it is a big thing just to be an end user qualified person. It is really a big thing. If you would look around in our community, you struggle to get people who can just be data capturers. So the qualification these students that have got, it's very helpful. I believe a lot of them would be quickly employed immediately they get their qualifications.
As Microsoft here in South Africa, we try to be locally relevant. By that we mean we try and focus on the things that can help reduce some of the social challenges that are facing our country. In South Africa, youth unemployment is the biggest challenge that we have. The good thing about working on this project is that we have been able to learn and come up with a way of working in partnership with an FET college. Already we are working with 3 FET colleges in KwaZulu-Natal, where we have partnered with organizations like CTU and of course organizations like ESCOM.
This is a typical example of a public-private partnership of empowering young individuals in rural areas to make sure that they can earn a living wage.